Welcome to MooMooMath and Science and day 3 of our study challenge. Today we're going to focus on writing down goals. First, a quick story. I have taught for most of my life, which means I have summers off. I'm married and have 3 children, so we have all had 2 months off in the summer. As summer would approach, we would mention it would be nice if we could do this or that. However, as the summer would come to an end, we would soon realize that we had not gotten around to doing much of what we talked about. One summer, my wife said, "Everyone go write down 2 things you want to do this summer." We then took the goals of each person and created a master list and put the list on the refrigerator. During the summer, we would check the list and then make a plan to get the activity done. We found that we were able to get almost everything done on this master list. This is a short but true story and demonstrates how goals help. Goals give you focus. I would like for you to write down just 2 goals. One goal in study habits. For example, I will use my agenda every day, or I will start my homework each evening by 7. The key is to write down something that will help you. The next goal is a school goal, such as, I will make a 90 in math this semester. Try to think of something that will make you proud and is motivating. Where should you write these goals? Write them in your agenda so you can check on them often. I like to write them on sticky notes and put them in my agenda. Remember to check the show notes for more resources. And thanks for watching MooMooMath and Science, where we upload a new math and science video every day. Please subscribe and share.